everybody. It is the Green Apron Chef coming at you today, complete with bed head and all. I got up early this morning to make French toast for my lovely wife Whitney. Today is Mother's Day and she requested stuffed French toast with cream cheese. So, when Mama asked, Dad does. Check out the video. If you like what you see, this channel is dedicated to everything culinary, including cooking demos, as well as some other consulting things along down the line. If you like what you see, subscribe for more content and throw a like on the video. Let's do this.
Okay, the first step to making this French toast is to crack 4 eggs, combine it with a fourth cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. To assemble the stuffed French toast with Nutella, first take 1 slice and spread a thick layer of Nutella on it. Next, take another slice of bread. In this case, I'm using the ends and I'm using them inside out. Push them together very tightly and repeat. Since I can't cook all the French toast at one time, I have to do it in batches. I line the sheet tray with aluminum foil and put it in the oven at the keep food warm setting. If your oven doesn't have this setting, 175 or low would be the same thing. Next, spray your griddle with pan spray. If you don't have a griddle on your stove, a cast iron skillet will work. In that case, make sure it's well seasoned. Now, make sure your French toast sandwiches are well pressed together and give them a quick dredge in our egg milk mixture. Lay them on the hot griddle and repeat. The French toast will take 4 to 5 minutes per side. Using a spatula, flip them over in between. I tend to flip a couple times just to check the doneness. When you're satisfied with the browning, pull them off and put them in the sheet tray in the oven. Once all your French toast pieces are done, pull them out of the oven, place them on your cutting board, and cut at a diagonal. In this clip, I cut one twice for my son Sawyer.
Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Come back to the channel. We appreciate your support. Smash that like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.
I want to go back to Hamburg. I want to go back. It's my turn. It's my turn.